Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. My name is Balakrishnan and I am a technical consultant for Tekla Structures product here at Trimble Solutions Middle East. Today we are going to see the interoperability improvements in the Tekla Structures 2022. Here is an overview of the contents, improvements in the reference model, point cloud, Trimble Connect, improvements and changes in the export, and Visualiser improvements. Let's start with the improvements in the reference model. Now with the new improvements made in the backend, performance of the Tekla structures for handling the reference model is now enhanced. And now you can insert and remove the reference model much more faster than the previous versions. Also, selecting the model from the reference model list or cancelling the selection is much faster. And you can notice this when you have a lot of reference model groups. Furthermore, the settings files for IFC change list can be now placed under the form or the projects folder. Also, now we have a better coverage for the texts in the PDF. Moving on to the improvements in the point cloud. With the previous version, once the point cloud file is attached, updating or modifying is a bit long process. Now, with the latest version, 3 new fields are added with which you can easily update the point cloud file. And also, now new TDX point cloud file format is supported. Let's now turn with the Trimble Connect improvements. With the latest release of the Trimble Connect desktop, you can now compare 2 different versions of a model which are uploaded in the cloud. Let's see a small example. This Trimble Connect project is in cloud, and from the model list sidepan you can navigate to the IFC model, where you see a new icon which will open the comparing mode. Once you click, you will be asked to select a model to compare or versions to compare. So you can click on change button to select a different model to compare. Here I will go with the same version. Now, once you click on compare, this will show the notification here in the comparison mode, and the models will be colorized based on the deleted and updated or newly added object. And the save this comparison tick on and closing the comparison will save the comparison model in the model list. Now let's move on to the overlay model improvements. You can now snap to the Tekla objects behind the overlay model which are not possible previously. Here is an overlay model from Trimble Connect. Now you can snap to the Tekla objects behind the overlay model properly. And also you can add an object and snap to the Tekla object as well as to the overlay model. Next, we will see the improvements and changes in the IFC export. Rebar set UDAs now can exported properly to the IFC when the advanced options for rebar set to export as a individual rebar set is set to true. Now let's move on to the Tekla EPM export, which is now renamed to the Tekla PowerFab export. Tekla PowerFab export now supports assembly selection in the model and also have included the assembly length information along with the assembly data. Coming to the Visualiser improvements. The navigation inside the Visualiser for menu scrolling, text scaling has been improved for screens with high DPI, and the file name for material mapping file has been renamed to material_IFC. That's all from my end. Thank you.